Silver, now we are based on daily chart and analyze the chart for the next week. Alright, as we can see, based on daily chart, we are within this correction. And what we want to see that the price haven't broke this low. Because we thought the price can break this low and we get the divergence. At that time we consider this correction is fringe, and then from there we can look for the up move. Okay, but from what we have right now based on the chart, the price came near to the lowest price, here, but it haven't broke. Now the question is whether we consider this correction is finished and we should look for the up move, or still we are within this correction at least. This means still we can expect whether the price from here move a bit higher or not. We can expect one more drop before we look for the up move. Alright, that's why we need to look into this. As we can see based on the daily chart, we see the based on lower time frame, we see the price is correcting here. Now we need to see what we will get from here, whether the price next week can drop or still can continue a bit higher. Okay, that means we need to look into this correction. Now we want to see how we can trade this one. In this case, we move to lower time frame. Even based on the lower time frame, we see the price is correcting. No, this is a correction for the one move up, one more. We can expect the price from here it still can move up or the price can drop. Because may I refer to this? Okay, now I want to say, is there a possibility this correction becomes similar to what we have here? That means the price can drop. Yeah, we have that possibility. Because why? If we even based on 4-hour chart, see the price, this is the highest level, and if we refer to the indicators, we can see slowly we're getting the divergence. And this one is not too clear, but still we have it. But based on the first indicator, we have it. Okay, even if we move to lower time frame, we will see it. Okay, we see as long as the price moving a bit higher is correcting, we see we have a divergence. How it's losing momentum. Okay, that's why still we can expect this correction can give us one move down, similar to what we have here, exactly here. Okay, that's why before we get any trade, we need to get the trade set up in case we get this position. We get this situation. Okay, in this case, how are we going to trade it for the next week? First of all, we talk about the buy. If we want to look for buy, if we want to look for buy, the best things is let the price drop. At least price come to this level. If the price drop lower is better. At least the price come to this level. Then from there, if we see we get any buy setup within this range, we look for buy. And as long as the price come to this level, we start to manage it. Whether the price can continue, this is the start of the up move, or we will be within the bigger correction, because we are not sure next week how big will be this correction and how long will be within this correction. That's why if you want to buy, let the price drop, come at least to this level. Then from there we look for buy setup. We get the buy setup, maybe it's on lower time frame, and when the price come to this level, we start to manage it. Okay, how about if the price when the market open, the price the price start to correct similar to what I'm drawing here. Okay, if the correction continues similar to what I draw here, similar to what we have here, mostly we can look for, mostly not 100%, we should expect the price can drop. But within that range, how long will we be within that correction based on lower time frame, we can look for the buy setup, and all buy will be short terms buy. Okay, now the question is, because the first option we say we want the price drop before we look for buy. Now the question is, how about if the price when the market open it didn't drop and sharply break this high? In that case, we won't buy that. If the price sharply move, we won't buy it. We just let it go. Then when if the price break this high, for example, price whether move sharply or anyway break this high, if we want to look for buy, we should wait for the correction, at least flag. before we take the buy setup. And what I want to say, any sharp move breaking this top, we won't buy it. Let the price break this top, give a small correction flag, then from there we can look for buy. This for the second option. Okay, if you want to look for buy. And as I mentioned right now, based on what we have here and based on the indicators, the possibility the price can drop also, we have it. Okay, now if next week the correction continues similar to what I'm drawing here, similar to what we have here, yeah, it can give us a better sell setup. Okay, but from what, I mean, we need to look into it. If we get, then we see how we can trade it. But from what we have right now, I'm selling within this range. I won't suggest it. If we want to sell, what we want is, we want the price, whether from here or higher or lower, we want sharply price drop, give a correction flag, then from there we can look for sell. Okay, what we wanted, price sharply drop, okay, give a correction, then we look for sell. That means if you want to get the sell, we want the price sharp drop, give a correction or flag, it depends, then from there we look for sell. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup whether for buy or for sell. All it depends of this correction, how behave, whether is form similar to what we have up to now and continue similar to this, or at least we get one move down to complete this flat before we take the up move. Okay, anyway, when the market open, we follow this correction. We need to see how this correction behave, then from there we make a decision whether we should look for down, that means we expect the price drop, or for the continuation for the up move. And as I say, if the price from here sharply move up, we won't buy it. Let the price break this top, give a correction, then from there we look for buy. Anyway, when the market open, if I see any update or any trade setup, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.